Stop pulling sneeze there. That was pretty good, man. Woo-hoo. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh, a blow through. Very nice. Looks really. How thick is that glass on the blow through in the back? The panel?
It is 3/4 inch plexi.
Okay. That's 4. I'll look inside, but
yeah.
That's the. Is this an 8K, 10K?
9K.
9K. Okay.
Just a single 9.
Wow. It's really good.
4 DC XL Elite 15s.
Okay. I'll look inside. Another lift. Ooh. So your name real quick and total all the equipment in here, man.
Hunter Caraway from New Bern. I got currently 2 400 amp McMahons. I got a 75 right there. Got a 90 amp hour C-Max in the back. Running currently in the middle of changing doors. So I got console wise, I got 4 3000 BRV, okay. And then 800.4 under here. And then
wow. Oh, you have a custom. Really custom.
It's built right at home.
Wow. Did you do this?
Yes, sir.
Nice work. That looks really good. That's the way to go.
What's up?
And how did you get this blow through to kind of seal optimally without dealing with leaks, or what did you do to fight that?
I just did an accordion, obviously, around. The box itself is actually not even mounted. It's just squeezed in between the back of the bed.
Okay.
And then my amp rack mount is what keeps it in place.
Okay.
And I did 3 layers of 3/4 on the back wall of the cab, and then did a beauty panel.
Wow. Yeah, that looked really good. And everything's sealed out there, so you don't have to really worry with moisture on the amplifiers or anything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's,
and no vibration, really. This is like...
No, it's actually pretty contained. I mean, the back wall's got a little bit of movement, but it's not anything terrible.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Let's
and
see here.
This is a 4th order?
Yes.
Okay.
Tuned at 48.
48. All right.
So I'm a little higher. I don't play anything below like really 30.
Good for a blow through too. Yeah. You did a really good job, man.
I'm happy with it so far.
Yeah. Awesome.
Good for riding around. But
yeah. You did a really
unexpected.
optimal. Yeah, you did an optimal amount of port area opened up for the cone area and the pressure.
I got a little I'd say I got an inch around all the way around. I kept it tight, but
yeah.
I end up opening it up later. But
yes, sir. And did you do any SPL burp tests on this to kind of see?
So far, all I've done 155 at, I want to say it was at 38.
Oh, okay.
And that was on music. So
that's pretty good.
Burp.
Yeah. Okay.
Full burp, I ain't done. I want to try around on 46, but I ain't meter one out though.
Yeah.
But fun play build.
Some pretty big 10s.
It's a hard hit that you're not ready for.
Yeah. Yes, sir. That's right. You had cigarettes on the floor. I don't know if those are yours.
Awesome.
Yep. You're welcome.
Let's rage.
You were gonna come to me. You are, but you better choose carefully. I'm capable of anything, and everything. Make me a freak die. Make me one and only. Make me your enemy, your enemy. Yeah.
Not pulling sneeze there. That was pretty good, dude. Woo-hoo. Wow. What was that higher note in that? It played a mid to high 30s?
It's in the 30s. It's like a 38, I do believe.
Wow. That was good. That was, man, for a blow through too.
Yeah.
You did a really good job, man.
I'm happy with it so far.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good for riding around. But
Yeah. You did a really optimal.
unexpected.
Yeah, you did an optimal amount of port area opened up for the cone area and the
Yeah,
pressure.
I got a little, like, I'd say I got an inch around, all the way around. I kept it tight, but
Yeah.
I ended up opening it up later. But
Yes, sir. I appreciate the demo, man.
Yes,
Wow.
sir.
That was a good one. And did you do any SPL burp tests on this to kind of see?
So far, all I've done 155 at, I want to say it was at 38.
Oh, okay.
And that was on music. So I
That's
ain't
pretty
done
good.
burp.
Yeah.
Full
Okay.
burp, I ain't done. I want to try around 46, but I ain't.
Yeah.
Meter went out though.
Yeah.
But fun play bill.
Yeah.
Little by little.
Yep.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome. Thank you for showing me.
Yes, sir.